So looking for that right PC case? Look no more, let's check out the NZXT H500i. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Tech Unbox. My name is Johnny Boy, and let's talk about the NZXT H500i. It's what I consider one of the best looking PC cases out there, mainly because it's cheap, looks good, and it comes packed with features. So the H500i comes right now for $100 online, or if you decide, you could go for the H500. This is basically the stripped down version with no RGB and no cam software. Basically, the cam software is the software that allows you to control the RGB and also the fan curves, so you could get better thermals and also noise reduction. So it's actually pretty good. Like, I heard that at first it wasn't the best, but they getting better on it. Like, I will give it a try. In the case, you get two fans, one on the top, another one on the rear. You can fit motherboards up to ATX, micro ATX, and mini ATX. Also 7 expansion slots. And on the front, unfortunately, you get no fans at all. But let's face it, guys, if you go for AIO water cooling, it comes with 2 fans. And about radiator, you can fit a 240 and also a 280. On the front, you don't get a lot going on. It's basically plain, no intake cutout. So NZXT decided to go for the right side. On the back, NZXT has a huge cutout for swapping CPU cooler, and also comes with those channels so you can route your cables. On the basement, it comes with 2 SSD caddies, so you can put SSDs or hard drive, and also has plenty of space for your power supply and for your cables. After all, it's not a bad design. It's actually super popular, coming from the S340 Elite from NZXT. That was ridiculous popular. H series is actually super popular too, and for the price and all the features you get, is actually a super good PC case. I will put some links so you can check them out online, and don't forget to like the video. And this is Johnny Boy signing out.